I'll do
Okay.
it this weekend, and next onwards, we'll do it with the hard copy itself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Acha. So now we'll have this parallel distributed processing. Okay. So see, this is very easy. This was the last one that was left out yesterday. It just, as the name suggests, parallel distributed processing. इसका मतलब ये है कि when we had studied the earlier models of memory, they were very unilateral or unidirectional. Unilateral या unidirectional का मतलब क्या है? Uni means one, और direction मतलब in a single, you can say, way. So we knew that there is a sensory memory. उसमें information आया. From there it goes to STM. From there it goes to LTM. So see, it's moving in just one direction or one way. But Rumelhat and McClellan, these are the two persons who have propounded this model, parallel distributed processing. They are saying that जब भी हम कोई चीज याद रखने की कोशिश करते हैं, और whenever we try to store something, it never goes in a single direction. Rather, it gets ये multiply divide हो जाता है और parallelly ये चीजें store होती हैं. So how they have given an information? They have given an information. मान लीजिए, suppose I tell you there is a parrot. Okay, parrot, tota. So when I tell you tota or parrot, first I'll tell you it is a bird. So now bird is a category where this will go and get stored. It is green in color. So you have a memory of, let's say, 15 to 20 colors. So now your mind mein it is stored under green. Ki parrot also comes under green. Then I will say it eats chilies. Okay, chili जो मिर्ची है, it generally मिर्ची खाता है parrot. तो अगर if you know any other animal or any other organism that feeds on chilies, तो उस category के under again you will add parrot. If I will tell, generally parrots are kept at homes. तो और अगर कोई bird है that is kept at home, under that also you will add parrot. Generally parrot is kept in a cage. तो और अगर किसी को आपने देखा है केज में रहता है कोई चिड़िया, if at all, या फिर any like even you have some people also like to keep I do not know what those birds are called, but they change color according to the month. तो हमारे यहाँ पे like उड़ीसा में they are called बारहमासी मतलब 12 months चिड़िया. So that means every month they will change the color. Let's say in January the color of the bird will be green, then in February it will be yellow, then in March it will be blue. इस तरह का है, right? So maybe if you know that birds are kept in cages, under that also you will put parrot. Then last May, if you will, if we say, if we can give an attribute that parrot is a bird which can mimic the sounds of humans. So if you know any other bird which does that, let's say koel, it does to a certain extent. So then again, koel, parrot, they will be again kept under a category called mimic the sound of humans. Okay. So they are just what they mean by this parallel distributed modeling process, parallel distributed processing model is कि whenever you save anything, it generally goes under a certain category. Okay. Number two, generally you store things or you store information based on attributes or characteristics. So agar if there is something new, तो आप कुछ attributes हैं, you are going to categorize them that way. Now let's say they have given a very nice example also in the text only. Ki suppose you have a friend with whom you play tennis. So if somebody will ask you, okay, who's that friend that you play tennis with? Up see, you might be playing with, let's say 10 persons. But if then the person will narrow it down, who is that person you play tennis with, who is tall? Now again, tall again will be a little not very specific, because somebody may be very tall or somebody may be just not short, but okay, ठीक है, ज़्यादा tall भी नहीं, ज़्यादा short भी नहीं. Again, if the person makes it more specific, who's that person you play tennis with who is tall and generally wears a t-shirt? Okay. So again, you will try to find out among those 10 people कि कौन है who wears t-shirt. So let's say 8 of them wear t-shirt. So again, though you will eliminate, but again those 8 are there. Then he will narrow down more. Who's that person who is tall, who wears a t-shirt, and who also who stays, let's say, in sector number 8, okay, or who stays in Noida. Now मान लीजिए again you play with all those, मतलब जितने लोगों के साथ you play, there are 3 people who stay in Noida. So see, your search is reducing from 10 to 8 to 3. Again, then for Noida, maybe you will ask, okay, I play with 3 people. I don't know about whom. Okay, who's that person who stays in Noida but comes in a white car? Now, मान लीजिए 2 persons again come in white car. Again, it will be confusing. But if somebody tells who comes in a white, let's say white Swift Desire, now that is totally reducing it and totally making it very specific. So our mind also, sorry, our memory also works that way. Whenever we are to retrieve something, the more attributes we get, the more characteristics we get, utna zyada we become specific, and that is how we can retrieve any information. Okay, is this okay for everybody? Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I thought that I'm on mute, maybe nobody answered. Yeah. Okay, so just look at, so what they are saying is, basically you form a network. Whenever this parallel distributed processing works, it is generally a network. So how is it a network? Sabse pehle, the first category would be a mammal. Suppose we are talking about a parrot. First category will be a mammal. Then mammal say maybe it will go to a bird. Then bird say it will go to the color of the bird. Color of the bird say what are the features of the bird. Features of the bird say where it lives. What does it eat? What is the special characteristic? So if you can, does it fly or not? So these are basically networks, and wherever these networks are joined, they are known as nodes. Okay, so this is not mentioned, but you can just write the word NODE, node. Node is basically a connection, an association. Okay, so मान लीजिए you have कोयल, parrot, and let's say some imaginary bird like great Indian bustard, let's say. तो मान लीजिए ये तीनों जो birds हैं, they can sing well, or they can mimic human voice. So human voice is like a node, मतलब it's like a connecting point for all these 3 birds. Okay, so that is a node, and when you combine all the characteristics and you form a total network, okay, when you combine all the characteristics, that will form a network, and all the joining points are nodes. Okay, so this is what is parallel distributed processing. Ki every information does not go in a single direction or unidirectional, rather it is parallelly distributed. It goes to all the other categories that you have formed in your brain, I mean, formed in your memory, so that you have each characteristics under each category. Okay, so this is the main important thing that you need to know under this. Okay, I'll just see if there's anything else you have to know. So more the connections, more the associations will be formed, more better you will remember. Okay. Yes. So this was all that we had under the connectionist model. If anybody has any doubts, we can take. Otherwise, we'll go back to the previous chapter. Some parts are remaining.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm not able to understand why it's called parallel distributed processing, ma'am.
Because it is parallel, it is not in a single direction. What do you understand by parallel? When we tell that, okay, I'll give you an example of parallel. You will be able to understand it well. Acha, I hope all of you know about the Indian freedom struggle. I think sabko pata hai what is Indian freedom struggle. So there is a place called Satara. Swapnil ji, Satara is in Maharashtra.
Yes, ma'am.
Satara, yes.
Yes,
So,
yes,
Satara.
it is.
Somewhere near Nagpur or Pune? Where is it? It's near Shivaji's that birthplace. No, I'm not able
Close
to.
to Pune.
Close to Pune. What was Shivaji's birthplace?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Shivneri, Raigad.
Yes. I collected Raigad. Yes. Somewhere there. Satara is somewhere there, as much as mujhe jitna yaad aa raha hai. Okay. So see, what we understand by parallel here is, see, we already have, see, there's a difference between parallel and hierarchy. Now, what is a hierarchy? If you go to villages of India, you will have the panchayati raj system, जिसमें you have a sarpanch and you have ward members and all of them. If you go to the state level, you will have a state government where you will have CM, then you will have MLAs, MPs, etc. etc. Then if you go to the central government, you will have prime minister, you will have cabinet ministers, etc. So these are hierarchy, matlab from center to state to village, this way. Parallel is what goes in the same line but they don't meet. Now when Britishers, during Indian freedom struggle, when Britishers they were running the country, but there were some places like Satara, Sambalpur, and some other places also, where people told that हम Britishers के rule को नहीं मानते हैं, we will not हम लोग बिल्कुल will not consider what Britishers are saying, rather we'll have a rule of our own. So Satara was one place which had parallel government, matlab few you can say half the population or maybe more than half of the population followed the local governance, remaining people followed the British governance. It was being done at the same time, but they never matched. Whatever the local governance was doing, it was not matching with the British governance. Whatever the British governance was doing, it was not matching with the local governance. But both of them were happening at the same time. So that is what is parallel. And everything that goes together at the same time, but they don't match. Okay. So this is what they're saying. Whenever we are talking about the previous models of memory, generally they are all going in one direction. Okay. Also following a sort of hierarchy, because from sensory to it cannot jump to long term. It has to go to STM and then to long term. लेकिन
मैम
in
सॉरी
parallel,
फॉर इंटरप्शन मैम। मैम
sorry,
जैसे आपने कहा जैसे कि एक बर्ड है मैम, पिजन एंड पैरट, मैम आपने कहा दोनों जो है फॉर एग्जांपल दोनों नट्स खाते हैं मैम, ये एक चीज सेम है मैम, फिर आप शायद ये बता रहे हैं कि आगे उनका मतलब ये एक चीज सेम है, बाकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सेम नहीं हो सकते, मतलब फिर थिंग्स कैन बी सेम, मगर वही मैम पैरेलल उसी को कहेंगे कि आगे सारी चीजों में वो नहीं मिल रहे, सिर्फ एक चीज में मिल रहे कि दोनों नट्स खाते हैं और दोनों बर्ड्स है, बाकी आगे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में वो मैच नहीं कर रहे मैम। Am I able to
see,
understand, ma'am?
no. First, you understand what the focus is. Focus here is not the bird. Focus here is the way you are processing the information. We are not concerned whether it is eating nuts or it is, or all the birds are eating nuts. हम वो नहीं बोल रहे हैं. हम बस ये बोल रहे हैं, you have, let's say, an idea of a bird, and what does a bird do? What does a bird look like? What does a bird eat? So when you are getting a new information on a new bird called a parrot, तो जितने भी उसके एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, यू आर पैरेलली पुटिंग ऑल द एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ द पैरेट अंडर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. दैट्स इट, बस उतना ही है और कुछ नहीं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पैरेट तो आपको और 150 बर्ड्स ढूंढने हैं who are also behaving like the parrot. That we are not talking here. We are just talking कि कुछ कैटेगरीज आपने बना के रखे हैं अपने माइंड में, अपने मेमोरी में, regarding birds. Whenever you are encountering a new bird, you are putting the attributes parallelly at the same time under those categories. That's it only.
Right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
So ठीक है. So with this we finish this chapter. Parallel distributed processing से we finish this chapter 4. If you have any doubts, we can take it up now. या फिर अगर बाद में you remember तो you can ask me. ठीक है. Now we'll go to chapter number 3 that we had left. See, there is not much to do in this. You just have to do a small homework. And I think it is better if you do it yourself rather than me teaching you this, because ये थोड़ा सा आपको खुद थोड़ा सा research करना पड़ेगा. So what you can do is, what I will just suggest you do one thing. Please write down. मैं जो बोल रही हूँ, please write down. Number 1, you have to make a table, okay? And you have to show me that you are doing this table, okay? So number 1, जैसे हम लोग columns बनाते हैं उस तरह से you do. So number 1 column में you write serial number. Then second column is part of the brain. Part of the brain. Okay. You can write part of the brain and location. Part of the brain and location. Then third, function. Then fourth, if damaged. If damaged. Fifth, remarks. So I'll tell you how to fill this table. Okay? You do this, it's very easy. You take your book only, IGNOU ka book, and you do it. Let me first ka example. Number one serial number.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you tell the page number?
Sure. It is from page number. You can see, you can do it अगर आप पूरा करना चाहते हो. You can do it for the entire unit 3. I think that will be better. Page number 32. 32 say you can do 32 say 41.
Okay.
32 say 41. Yes, I'll tell you how to do it. This way you will remember it better. Okay. Much we have covered last time. I'll also tell you a few more things so that we can cover it today. Acha. So how you are going to make this table? Okay. Number one, serial number mein you put 1. Then location, the part of the brain and location. So let us take part of the brain mein hippocampus. Last time we had done hippocampus when we were discussing the case study of HM, who suffered from retrograde amnesia, phasic retrograde amnesia, and severe anterograde amnesia. I hope everybody remembers. याद है कि भूल गए सब लोग? Although it's a little long now. याद है ना सबको?
हाँ मैम, थोड़ा सा डिवाइस देना पड़ेगा.
Okay. I'll just tell you again. There was a person whose name or who has been named as HM. Okay. So H for Holland and M for, let's say, Masuri. So HM, there was a person who was called HM. Now HM ko seizures aate the, epileptic attacks aate the. So by the time he reached 21, early 20s, so these seizures became very frequent. तो मान लीजिए हर हफ्ते आने लगे. So he tried each type of medication, कुछ भी काम नहीं आया. So the doctor, that time a new treatment had come up कि अगर आप brain के कुछ areas जहाँ पे seizures ज्यादा होते हैं, जो seizures के लिए जो responsible होता है area, अगर आप उस जगह को आप surgically remove कर देते हैं brain से या हटा लेते हैं, तो seizures would reduce. So since it was a new treatment and this person was very interested, he went for it. वो सर्जरी भी किया डॉक्टर्स ने. सर्जरी होने के बाद it was seen that seizures जो है वो तो कम हो गए, but this person encountered a new problem. So what was that new problem? कि कुछ सर्जरी के कुछ साल पहले के, मतलब 5-6 साल पहले के चीजें he had forgotten in phases. मतलब एकदम से पूरा नहीं, but majority of them he had forgotten. लेकिन other things were okay. Like let's say if he was 21 years old, till 15 years age, whatever he had done, he remembered. But 15 से 21 के बीच में majority of the things he had forgotten. This was one of the issues. Second, he was unable to form any new memories. So, agar let's say if he's reading a book, he's reading that book completely. But फिर भी उसको याद नहीं आ रहा है कि what has he read. If he meets anybody, he does not remember after some time whom he has met. So he started suffering from severe anterograde amnesia. So what is anterograde amnesia? The new memories do not form. तो इसीलिए आपको याद ही नहीं रहता what you did. Okay, so do you people remember we had done this?
Ma'am, retrograde amnesia
Yes,
at the same time, ma'am.
Retrograde amnesia and anterograde amnesia.
Right,
Yes,
ma'am.
we had done this. You remember though? Abhi yaad aaya na?
Yes, ma'am. Alzheimer patients are retrograde, suffer from retrograde amnesia.
Right. Also they suffer from anterograde. They will not be able to remember. Even some people from Korsakoff syndrome and all these, they also are not able to form memories well. Yes. Yes. Somebody was asking something. We just had a collision. Yes. Yes. Somebody else was saying something. Achha, theek hai. So okay. So how you are going to complete this table? Please understand. So सबसे पहले serial. So let's take hippocampus. So where is hippocampus? The location. आप क्या करो? You go to the internet. See, this is the way to study. If you study this way, then it does not matter you are doing it from IGNOU, from distance, from wherever. If you study like this, you will remember these things for a very, very long time. Okay. So what you do today, you go to the internet, you surf the internet. I'll tell you few things jinke photos you should take. Number one, um, all the parts of the brain. If possible नहीं तो I will share few photos in the group today. आप वो photos के print out निकाल लो या फिर better is if you take a print out and you have this entire table with you. So left hemisphere, right hemisphere, all the lobes, we have 4 lobes. वो then again you will have to have where is the hippocampus, where is the amygdala, where is the hypothalamus, etc. You just find out photos which are not too crowded. Okay, don't find out photos that are used that medical people use or neuro surgery people use. फिर आपको क्या होगा कि एक photo में you will have a lot of information that is not required for us at this stage. Maybe if you are specializing in something you will need it. अब see अभी we need only hippocampus, but आप सोचो कि you are searching for a photo of hippocampus जिसमें hippocampus के ही 10-12 extra points they had given, which is not very important. So don't important for us at this stage. So don't go into very severe research. I will otherwise share few photos. You just see them. And wahan se just write down ki which is the part of the brain. So let's say hippocampus. What is the function of the hippocampus? So just write what are the functions of the hippocampus. It's involved in memory. It's involved in learning, etc., etc. Then if damaged, so while you are reading here, यहाँ पे बहुत जगह पे लिखा होगा when lesion happens in hippocampus, new memories are not formed or retrieval में issues होते हैं, etc., etc., whatever. आप वो लिखना. And remarks. What do you understand by the role of hippocampus in memory? That should be your remark. मतलब आपने ये तीनों columns पढ़ा कि hippocampus is located here. If it is damaged ऐसा होता है, ये उसके function है. So now you give your remarks. What do you think about the hippocampus? अगर वो damage होता है तो क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा? If you want, you can also read a little about hippocampus. If you are doing it this way, then remember you don't have to prepare anything extra for your exam. आप बस वो table देखोगे and you will be able to do it well. Is this okay? ये समझ आया क्या? Or should I explain again?
Yes, ma'am. Understood. तो मैम कौन से पॉइंट्स लेने हैं मतलब ब्रेन के लाइक आपने हिप्पोकैम्पस बोला फिर उस
हाँ I will add that today. I have not made that list today. After the class, I will make it because I just returned just some time before the class. So मैंने वो बनाया नहीं है. You will have the list and you will have the images in the group latest by 9:30 to 10 o'clock today. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
So you just do it in this.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, I'm audible.
You're audible. Please tell.
Ma'am, in 4th column there's a if damage, so you have to mention only hippocampus, no?
अगर see, we will have 4 to 5 things. One will be hippocampus, one will be amygdala, one will be frontal cortex, one will be neocortex. Okay, let's take these 4 at least. So a temporal neocortex is also there. Temporal lobe will be there. So what you do is you just don't have to go through any book. Just go through your IGNOU book. उसी में ही हर एक line में it will be written कि if temporal lobe is damaged, then this will happen. So you find out those points because if you start reading it in this way, फिर you will remember it for a much longer time. Getting my point? ठीक है? अगर
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if anybody has any doubt, I will do one thing. I will give you 3 things today. Number 1, all the images. Number 2, for what you have to do this. And for at least for hippocampus, I will do one small table and I'll give you so that you know in which way you have to do that table. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That will be very nice, ma'am.
Yes. So I'll do I will do for one only, okay? Because this is your
Yeah,
homework.
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. You please give homework, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes. Because I want to involve you people because मैं आके मैं बोल दूं कुछ you will listen, that is good, but जब तक आप खुद से नहीं करोगे ना, you will not remember these things, right?
True, ma'am. True.
Okay, तो ठीक है, I will do one. You will get all the materials today by 9:30 to 10. Okay. So मैं बस आपको ये बताना चाह रही हूँ we had left out 3.4 anterior and lateral temporal lobes and memory. Just go through it. They have not mentioned any process or anything. That just semantic information type factual चीजें they have written कि अगर ये डैमेज होता है तो ये होगा, वो डैमेज होता है तो वो होगा. So इसमें कुछ समझाने वाली बात नहीं है. You just have to read it. So while you are making the table, you will definitely come across this and you can do it. Okay. Now यहाँ पे क्या important है? I'll just tell you. There is only one thing that was important that I found. Yes, you can just, if you want, you can just write down this. Key. The most severe memory loss happens when the hippocampus and amygdala have lesions.
Kindly repeat.
Oh God. Okay, I am sorry, I'm not writing it down. Somebody can repeat who's writing it. Abhi.
The most
okay.
severe memory loss.
The most severe memory loss
Happens when the
The most
okay,
severe
the most severe memory deficits happen when hippocampus and amygdala have lesions.
Thank you, ma'am.
Along with lesions in the cortex surrounding these areas. Along with lesions in the cortex surrounding these areas. So आप ये समझ लो, memory deficit will happen when these three things are there parallelly or when these three things are there together. Hippocampus में भी lesion है, amygdala में भी lesions है और cortex जो इन दोनों को surround कर रहा है उसमें भी अगर lesion है तब severe memory loss will happen. Okay, memory deficit will happen. This was the only important line in this entire thing that we had left out. बाकी there is nothing that important. आप बस एक बार read कर लो. If anybody has even the slightest doubt, please ask me, because this once you look at the picture and do your own table, then only you will be able to do it. So please do it. अगर किसी को कहीं थोड़ा सा भी doubt हो, just ask me and please share your tables with me, okay? So that I will know how much you are involved and how well you are enjoying that activity. ठीक है? Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, please do your best in the table. Last May, if possible, what we are going to do is we are going to take all the information from all the tables and merge it and make it a standard table so that everybody can read from that also. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone will work and everybody will get help.
Sure, ma'am.
ठीक है. Okay. चलो. So this chapter was over. Now एक बहुत important topic है how to improve your memory. But they have not mentioned it in this book. I do not know how. They should have. So is Swapnil ji here? Swapnil ji, are you there? I don't know. Swapnil ji is there? He is in the other. हाँ, Swapnil ji, just वो memory वाला जो image है ना, please put that image, please. Yes. So these are few of the ways how to prolong memories. With that, there are also 2-3 more ways I'll tell you and you can write them now. So first is, if you have to remember anything, see, we'll not do it in the sequence they have given. We'll do it in the logical way. Okay. So number 1 would be, सबसे पहले when you are trying to remember anything, please feel, number 1, please feel that the information is important. if you yourself will feel कि information important नहीं है, आप वो चीज कभी याद नहीं रख सकते. So number 1 point is usefulness of the information. Please write it that way. ठीक है? Usefulness of the information. Okay. Now, second चीज जो है, whenever you are trying to memorize something, please form associations. Okay, please pay attention and form association. जैसे कल ही I explained you, like suppose one of your friends' birthday also falls on the same day as your father's birthday, so you're associating two things, so you will remember better. So pay attention and form association. This is the second point. Third point is be emotionally connected. ठीक है? So be emotionally connected with whatever you are trying to remember. Okay. मान लीजिए somebody gives you any information and you don't feel much, you don't feel connected with it. Again, you will forget. So that is the reason why I'm telling. Why did I bring this emotional part is because, especially when आगे जाके you will do counseling. So counseling is a very, very tricky thing. Why? See, when somebody comes and tells you what the person is going through, you have to be attached so as to feel what the person is going through, but you also have to be detached so that you don't get carried away in that emotion. Let me explain. I still remember when we were students, when I was a student in my master's, once we had gone to a health center and we were counseling. So one old person, he came to me and he told me that, are you the counselor? Then I told yes. Then he told, okay, then I don't want to speak. Then he was about to leave. So I asked, but sir, why do you want to leave? At least tell me what happened. No, you are so young. You are just 2021. आप क्या मेरे problem क्या समझेंगे और क्या आप मतलब आप क्या, you will not be able to understand. Then I told, but sir, at least to tell me what the problem is. You just came, आपने देखा कि I am much younger to you और आप जा रहे हैं. The person must be around 65, 66, I think, or 60, at least above 60. So he was like, नहीं यार मैं बोलूंगा तब भी आप नहीं समझोगे. I was like, at least sir, you try at least, because we were feeling very bad that he came, he looked at us and he was leaving. So, like, at least sir आप बोलिए. Then he told, अच्छा see, he was little rude in the beginning. He's like, अच्छा see, I had come here to meet a counselor because I feel very lonely and I feel very sad since I have retired before 3 to 4 years, and now I don't think I have enough friends, I don't think I have enough work to do, so I am feeling very lonely. लेकिन अगर मैं ये आपको बताऊंगा, आप क्या समझोगे? You तो don't even know what is retirement, you तो don't even know what is a job because you are not doing a job. So मतलब ये तो एकदम ही useless task है मेरे लिए, तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. Now see, at that point in time, being a counselor, you can go through many feelings at the same time, many emotions at the same time. Number one, you might feel very disrespected by somebody. You might feel somebody is trying to tell you that you are not able enough to help him. You might feel at that time that you are really very immature to handle such a situation. You might feel आपको बहुत रोना टाइप भी आ सकता है if you are little, आप अगर कुछ ज्यादा इमोशनल है. मे बी आपको बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आ सकता है at the person who has treated you this way, etc. Okay, now but see, अगर भी आपको ये सब चीजें आए तो भी you do not have to show this, or you do not have to even feel it at that point of time. So you are basically feeling bad for yourself, but you are also not letting that show on your face or reflect in your behavior. Okay, so ठीक है. So this is a thing I told. Abhi I will ask you, since you would be future counselors tomorrow, any one of you, please tell, if somebody comes and tells you this, what would be your reply? We'll listen from each one. Okay, so Asha ji can say. Asha ji, what would be your reply if you are a counselor? I do not know your age, but let's say somebody who's more than 20 years older to you comes to you talk about retirement, and the person tells you the same thing. So what would be your reaction like? Yes, is she there? Okay, if not Asha ji, somebody else can say. Mahashwata ji can tell me.
Yes, ma'am. First
Yes.
of all,
So,
I will try. Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead, ma'am.
please, आप बोलिए. हाँ.
I'll try to convince the man, though I must not have gone through retirement, but I will try to make that person feel that what he is feeling, that same type of emotion I am also feeling. I will try to convince him. So once he is open up, then I will proceed further. But yeah, that's what it came in my mind, ma'am, just now.
Okay, very good, nice. Okay, now next we can go. Next, somebody, कोई और please answer. How would you handle this?
मैम
हाँ, हाँ.
मैम मैं उनको मैं ऑडिबल.
हाँ, you audible. बोलिए.
ओके मैम, मैं उनको बोलूंगी कि मुझे तो ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है इन सब में, बट मैं जब लोगों को ऑब्जर्व करती हूँ, जो भी एल्डर्स लोग हैं, तो मैं उनके भी मैंने उनको जानती हूँ, तो वो कैसे फील करते हैं, तो मैं आपको थोड़ी बहुत समझ सकती हूँ. एंड लोनली का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ ओल्ड एज ही लोनली फील करे. लाइक सभी एज में कभी कभी हम लोनली फील करते हैं, तो ऐसे बोल के उनको कुछ लाइक ऐसे बोलूंगी कन्विंस
Very
करने के लिए.
good. That was a nice one. Yes, that's a nice one. Okay.
थैंक यू.
Now, ठीक है. और कोई? Anybody else wants to try?
मैम और ये भी कह सकते हैं कि आप बोलिए, हम आपको सुनेंगे. वी विल नॉट बी जजमेंटल. यू स्पीक, यू ब्लर्ट आउट whatever comes in your mind. हम आपको एक पेशेंट हियरिंग देंगे, हम आपको अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, और आउट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग हम आपको एक क्रिस्प क्लियर कट सा परसेप्शन देंगे आपके बारे में. हम ना वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स. अगर हमें पता नहीं है रिटायरमेंट के बारे में, बट विल बाय लिसनिंग वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड. नथिंग इज डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड, although it is Nova, but we can understand by hearing, ma'am.
ठीक है. Good. Anybody else? Why I'm doing this exercises, I'll tell you at the end. मैं क्यों ये कर रही हूँ? Anybody else who wants to answer? Farha ji wants to answer?
Okay. So basically, so basically, I would first make him comfortable. Like I first, जो उनका गुस्सा है वो पहले उनको थोड़ा सा शांत कराएंगे. उनको बोलेंगे कि ठीक है, आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो सही बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है, पर आप एक बार फिर भी अब आप एक बार बोलेंगे, बात करेंगे, तो आपको भी बेटर फील होगा, ठीक है. एंड वील ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. और बेसिकली बात करने से ही बात मतलब आगे बढ़ती है. सो इट्स मतलब बेसिकली इट्स बेटर दैट यू से इट आउट. जो भी बोलना है, मन हल्का भी हो जाता है. मतलब उनके तरीके से मैं उनके उसमें अपना एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करूंगी, तो ताकि उनको ये भरोसा हो जाए कि हम उनको समझते हैं. उनको सिर्फ ये बोलेंगे कि भाई नहीं हम समझते हैं, हम सीनियर्स को देखा है, तो उनको फिर भी, क्योंकि वो अलग से एक माइंडसेट बना दिया उन्होंने. सो बेसिकली वील जस्ट आई जस्ट ट्राई टू लाइक टॉक टू हिम मोर. उसी में थोड़ा सा बात करते करते, so that he gets confidence in me a little bit, and then he tries to open up.
Right, absolutely. Good, that was a nice one. Okay. और कोई? Anybody wants to try, or should I just wrap up and I'll tell you what exactly happened after that with what was my experience with him? Okay. ठीक है. So I'll just tell you what happened. So since he was very
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry. Ma'am,
please.
you're explaining now in that my battery was switched off, so I didn't get that.
Sorry. I didn't.
When you are explaining now, so that time my laptop battery was slow down.
Okay.
So that is why I didn't get.
Okay. You want to answer? Please answer. Yes.
Actually, you are explaining that time I was plugging my switchboard.
Acha, no issue. If you want to answer the question right now also, you can, no problem.
I little bit give the answer. सी अगर कोई मतलब मुझे काउंसलिंग करना है, तो मैं सबसे पहले उनको कंफर्टेबल करूंगी. मतलब रिलैक्स, मतलब सिटिंग पोजीशन वगैरह उनकी, और मैं उनको टाइम दूंगी. उनको जो भी चीजें प्रॉब्लम्स है, को भी इमोशंस है, फीलिंग्स है, मैं उनको वक्त दूंगी. मतलब एक बार फ्री ऑफ माइंड से मेरे से बात करेंगे तो हाँ मुझे लगता है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द कि हम उनके प्रॉब्लम को समझ सकते हैं और आई विल गिव टेक सम टाइम टू काउंसलिंग हिम.
Very good. Okay, I'll tell you what happened with me, how I handled this thing. See, सबसे पहले what you people also told, I also agree with that. सबसे पहले we will make the person comfortable and then we'll confront the person. So the first rule in counseling is comfort and then confront. तो पहले आप उनको comfortable बनाएंगे और फिर confront करेंगे. Okay, so when he repeatedly kept on telling कि नहीं मैं नहीं बैठूंगा तुम्हारे पास, I will not talk to you because you are too young and you are just like my daughter and you're not able to understand anything and ये वो. So even like as you people told, मैंने भी उनको एक दो बार समझाया. फिर I told him one thing, sir, please listen to me. It's not that I do not know what retirement is, even I know, just that I have not been through that phase, but I know. So he got little more angry with that. He's like, हाँ तो टीवी में देखने से या फिल्म में देखने से जो रिटायरमेंट का पिक्चर होता है, that is not the picture. There's so much more to it. So I told him one thing, sir, few things are universal in nature. If tomorrow somebody tells me that a family member has died at his home, just to feel that emotion, I will not go and kill somebody to feel it. These are universal things. Similarly, retirement, the loneliness that comes with it, the sadness that comes with it, that is also a very universal thing, and we all have grown with that. So maybe I might not have retired, but I have people who have retired in my families and I know that feeling. So you please kindly sit down. If at all, as Bareen said, I also told him the same thing. If at all I'm not able to solve your issue, that is a second or third part, at least you enlighten me what retirement is so that I will feel better. At least I will know what a person goes through. So maybe I may not be of help to you, but you will be of some help to me. Now, the reason why I did that is, if you have read experiments in social psychology, a person is in a good mood when he helps or he knows he is in the capacity to help somebody. So the moment he heard this from me, that if he will talk about his life or issue, it will help me, unka mood thoda change ho gaya. He started feeling better actually. So he was like, oh, acha, to main bolunga to it will help you. I told, yes, sir, it will help me because you are such an experienced person. And maybe I am not in a position to help you right now as you are thinking, but you are in a position to help me. So if you have come so long, why don't you do this? Acha, theek hai, he told. He sat down. Uh, exactly as somebody told, I think Aishwarya told or somebody, that we are not supposed to, will not judge him or anything. Similarly, I told him, whatever you feel like you tell, even if you are feeling bad about how a family member has treated you, how your boss has treated you, tell me everything. I'll listen to everything. Then he spoke, and he spoke for about 40-45 minutes. During that time, there was no value judgment from my side, ki aapne ye galat kiya. But by his, only because this is a case study way of telling you, I'm telling you, I'm not being judgmental now also, but बहुत सारे instances उन्होंने ऐसे बोले जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसे feel हुआ that he has been very rude to the other person, जिसके वजह से these issues have come up. So I listened to him very patiently without giving any value judgment, and he was happy. He completed his 45 minutes or 1 hour, I don't remember, I think 45 minutes to 50 minutes. And then when it was done, he told me that when I had come here, I was expecting that a senior person would be there, or at least somebody who would be more, much senior, much older to you than in age. But I talked to you, I felt very good because now, today also I felt, even when I am retired, I'm still in a position to help people, or I'm still in a position to share my knowledge. That knowledge which nobody values now after my retirement. So I told him in just one line, sir, it's not that you are lonely, sad, or anything because of retirement. You are only feeling lonely, sad, and etc., all of that, because now you feel that people are not paying much attention to you. But you tell me, with the expertise you have, with all that you have done, with all the experiences that you told me, are you somebody who should crave for attention? Are you not enough with yourself? Are you not enough of yourself? And I think that one line made him so happy. He was like, huh, I never thought like this. Then I told that, see, in the university, there's a park. There are Pumba students. Pumba is Pune University MBA students. You can always go and talk to them. If there are small groups of people who do yoga, you can always share your experiences. Why do you think whatever you will share, people have to appreciate you for that? Sometimes people take in what you say, but they don't reply back. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है, that is also a way of giving you attention. And you will not believe, he was so happy. Although it was not a formal counseling session, he was so happy till the time, I think after that incident, I stayed for about 6 to 8 months till my course was over. He would meet me at least every 10 to 15 days. And he would tell me that just few lines that day of yours has changed me completely. And I'm so happy after my retirement. Now I do social work. I do all kinds of work. I keep myself busy. Whether people appreciate me or not, I don't feel unhappy about it. So similarly, why I wanted to tell this to you is because even when you are forming memories, the more you are emotionally involved. See, the entire session between him and me was more of an emotional one, right? So the more emotions you have, and only because it was an emotional one, I could remember today and tell you. So the more emotions you have, in your interactions, in the information you save, the way you save information, those will lead to prolonged memories, or the memories will stay in your LTM for longer period of time, right? So did everybody understand the counseling session wala example?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the third thing that we need to do. We need to recall some emotions. Now, fourth one is we need to have some memory techniques. What are memory techniques? Memory techniques can be abbreviations, like instead of telling American Psychological Association, we just say APA. Instead of telling very important person, we say VIP. So what happens is when you shorten bigger words by just, keeping just the first initials, that is also a memory technique. Then there is something known as mnemonics. What is mnemonics? जैसे मान लीजिए you have to remember a complete event. So what you do, जैसे मान लीजिए you have to remember the names of 5 animals. तो आप कैसे याद रखोगे? 1. तो आप let's say first animal you have to remember is a cat. तो आप क्या करोगे? 1 का symbol याद रखोगे माइंड में, उसके ऊपर एक cat बैठा हुआ है, तो that is 1 is for cat. Suppose 2 is for dog. So let's say 2, it's written 2, and 2 के tail पे the dog is sitting. So that way 2. इस तरह से you put every animal with every number, and then you can remember. So these are some of the memory techniques that you can read. I'll share that also. That's a small PDF of, let's say, 1 to 2 page. I'll share. Just go through it, okay? Then next important thing is
Ma'am,
you
can I
always.
share?
Say. Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
like we have to remember the months, जिसमें 30 days या 31, फिर हम अपने नकल्स पे, अपने हैंड नकल्स पे देखते हैं किस में 31 है और किस में 30 है। मैम उनको निमोनिक्स कहेंगे ना मैम?
उनको भी mnemonics कह सकते हैं, right? What she is telling is, I think बहुत लोग would know. Suppose this is like, say, like this is the knuckle, so this is January, then the dip is February, then March, then April. तो इस तरह से आप करोगे तो it will end in July, then again it will start on 30. It will start for August. So July also has 31 days and August also has 31 days. So these are few of the mnemonics, okay? Then next 2 to 3 things most important: right diet. So if you are having more leafy vegetables, if you are having more fruits, if you are having more boiled diets, your memory will always be good. Unadulterated food, good memory. Right sleep, right amount of sleep, most important. Meditation again, exercise again, very, very important. Out of everything, the most useful way of improving your memory is repeating the information, okay? जो भी आपने पढ़ा है, जो भी आपने, whatever you are doing, do little elaborative rehearsal. जैसे मान लीजिए today we just talked randomly about a counseling session. One moment, please. Yeah, sorry. So today, like we were talking about some counseling session. Man lijiye after let's say a week, again we talk about some counseling session. Again we talk about some counseling, like episode. And then what you do, आप इसको जितना भी revisit करते रहेंगे, these memories will be more stronger and these memories will stay in your mind for longer time. Okay. So generally you can, you can make your you can repeat these information to yourself, the longer you will remember. Okay, so these were a few of the things, the memory tips and the memory techniques basically I will send in the group. Okay, today you will have more of the things available to you. Today you
There's
have four.
one use sensory cues, ma'am.
Sorry, is this okay? Actually I'm getting a call, that's why maybe my voice would be little low. Okay, so you'll have four things today. Number one, the images. Number two, what are the topics you have to do the table on. Number three, I will do a example of a table and I'll give you. Fourth, I will give you memory techniques. Is that okay with everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So ठीक है then. Thank you so much. This was all for the class, and that much we had to study for this chapter. Next topic we will start tomorrow. Should we start tomorrow or should we give one day break? Please everybody tell, that way we'll do. Can we start tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow.
Okay, ठीक है. ठीक है then. We'll start tomorrow. So ठीक है. Thank you very much.
You have to submit tomorrow or day after tomorrow, ma'am.
You submit on Monday. ठीक है. You take the entire weekend. You submit on Monday. No issues. ठीक है.
Ma'am, before leaving, ma'am, kindly explain what components sleep on it and use sensory cues, ma'am.
I'll just explain to you. I'll reply you on WhatsApp. I'm just leaving. I'm getting a call. I'll just write your doubt in the group, right?
All right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you everybody. Bye bye. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, madam. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.